Today I would like to show you the newest feature of the Sutter ecosystem called Quality Check. It is designed to digitalize quality gates on a fast-moving production environment. In a situation where there is no time to make a repair on each of the workstation, you can integrate quality gates into your lines. They can be on the end of the line, but they can be also in the middle of the line, so you can have multiple quality stations all over your line. Ideal option would be to use pivot-ware process control system on each assembly station. In cases where this is not possible, you are able to link smart tools on your workstations with a DeMeter system, and DeMeter system will be then connected to single quality check pivot-ware station. DeMeter will include configuration of the assembly line, so it will know if the screw is not done or if an operation is not done, on which exactly position it was not done, and it can inform the quality gate pivot-ware station. Once the product will approach the quality gate, operator will see all the operations those are to be done on this station. He could freely choose the operation and to have a full visual guidance of the operation to be done. Once all the operations are done, the information are stored in DeMeter, and the product can freely move through the line to the next station and potentially to the next quality gates. Okay. The quality check operation is the most user-friendly and cost-effective way to improve the quality on your production. Of course, having quality check means having DeMeter with all its advantages. If you are interested to know more about quality check or DeMeter in general, please contact your local sales representative.